Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 1804 North 167th and Shoreline. Date's March 2nd, 2021. I'm about 130 feet out from the roof vent where I access this sewer from. You are looking at the Shoreline city main there flowing by. So we're going to come back from the city main and get a look at this line. We come back from the city main into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. It's concrete, old, original piping. But if this is Ronald wastewater, as I suspect, then the city's responsible for maintaining this 6-inch portion off of the property. Homeowner's responsible once we get back to the property line to take care of the rest of the sewer. And I believe that's the point right here where this is happening. So back a ways from the main, you get to that 4-inch, we're now in 4-inch diameter pipe, and this is the responsibility of the homeowner to repair, maintain, and replace. Got a tie-in on the left side of the pipe there. It's a number of fixtures. This is a long Rambler style house. Number of fixtures down that side of the house tying into the pipe. I'm assuming it's one of those. Got a little toilet paper buildup in areas. It's due to the concrete being rough and aggregate. Another tie-in on the left side of the pipe there. We're getting close back to the inside plumbing here now. You take a turn there and come back to underneath the foundation of the home. So coming back, it looks like they use a Y45 to 90-degree turn outside of the home. This is where I'm going to recommend that we add an access point, a clean out access, so that this line can be maintenance from there. We're going back into cast iron pipe now. As this cast iron comes back, we're going to twist vertically up this roof vent. Boom. We are now coming straight up the vent. And here is the vent we're making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there, do a little bit of locating, and get out of here.